Hello everyone, welcome to soundproofguide.com. In this video, I'll talk about different sound deadening mat. Fatmat, Kilmat, Noico, and Dynamat. And we'll find out which one is a better choice for you. I'll give you all the facts of all these different sound deadening mats. While it's true that with any of these soundproofing options, you can better enjoy the sound quality of your car stereo, have conversations while driving with fewer interruptions from the outside world, or just simply enjoy your vehicle better. Picking the best vehicle sound deadener is key to getting the best result at the best price. First, I'll give you a brief description of all four products with their pros and cons, and then I'll give you my best pick regarding sound isolation types, oil resistance, weight and flexibility of the material, material type, durability, thickness, installation difficulty, and size. So make sure to stick around for that. So let's begin with Noico. Noico can be best described as an 80mm thick butyl and foil soundproofing material. It's great at what it does and comes with an extra benefit of being affordable. So is Noico the best choice? Well, let's find out more. Noico's sound deadening material can be purchased as either a 50mm thick option or an 80mm thick option. Naturally, the 80mm thick variant makes for a better purchasing if your goal is quality soundproofing, and it's actually worth it as it's just 25% more expensive than the 50mm. Noico is designed to be lightweight so it can be installed in any part of your vehicle without sacrificing the weight of your vehicle. Also, even though reasonably light, the material is still dense enough to deliver top sound insulation. In each package of Noico 80mm, you get enough material to cover 36 square feet in the form of a stack of 9 sheets. Compared to many other noise blocking mats, especially Dynamat, Noico is very affordable and yet still offers quality soundproofing results. This makes it a very popular option among consumers who would like to save money without compromising on quality. If you don't want the Noico material with the foil top layer because you think its look will ruin aesthetics, Noico offers the alternative of an all-black version of its material. This alternative is called merely Noico Black Car Sound Deadening. Noico mats can be installed anywhere you please, and that includes rooms in your home where you believe silence is golden. But the material does its best work in an automobile by eliminating general noise and more. For a better picture of if Noico sound deadeners are for you, here are some primary pros and cons of this product. Well, the pros: great price that ensures affordability. User-friendly install, thick and lightweight, works on any automotive surface. Some of the cons: protection gloves are a must when installing. The rubber smell can be off-putting in a closed space of a car, but it does go away. A roller for installation is not included. The foil can significantly block the rubber smell, but the foil is relatively thin. Overall, Noico sound deadening mats are suitable for soundproofing vehicle roofs, doors, trunks, and other parts. While the rubbery smell is something to consider, its affordable price and soundproofing performance makes it a worthy buy. Just a quick pause: if you like this type of content, consider subscribing to our channel. And also feel free to leave a comment. I would love to hear your feedback and also your questions that I would do my very best to answer. Thank you. Next on the list is Kilmat. Kilmat is another sound deadener made with butyl that's available in 80mm thickness. And would you believe it, it's actually cheaper than Noico. It is also self-adhesive and weighs about 0.5 pounds per square foot, making it not only cheaper but also lighter than Noico. But is Kilmat better than Noico? Like Noico mats, Kilmat material comes with a special indicator that will warn you if the product is not properly installed. This ensures you to get the best result from the installed product. In the Kilmat package, you will find the material in 34 handy size sheets that make cutting and installing easy for all, regardless of the size of the space to be covered. There's enough material in one package to cover 36 square feet. The affordability of Kilmat makes it one of the most purchased soundproofing mat on the market. But it's not just its affordability that makes this product attractive, as it also offers better soundproofing than many of its more expensive counterparts. Another point in favor of this product is that it's not only an effective noise insulator, but it's also an effective heat insulator. This is a double win that will serve car owners well when driving in the winter. Aside from the ability to deaden road noise and internal vibrations, other features of Kilmat that makes it a top choice includes the product features a universal material that ensures the material can be installed anywhere outdoors or indoors as a sound insulator. You can install it inside of a vehicle or outside around the wheel well. Kilmat doesn't stink of rubber or have any other offensive odor. Even the adhesive used to stick it on is odorless. The adhesive on the Kilmat material is designed to stick fast and last long. The adhesive is already on the mat, so it makes its installation quick and easy. Sound insulation and heat insulation rolls into one product to give you less noisy and a cozier ride. Each sheet of Kilmat sound deadening mat is of a manageable size that makes handling and installing it more comfortable. There is also 34 sheets in the pack. Some of the cons is the sheets are relatively stiff, which can slow down the installation process, and like Noico, the installation roller is sold separately. While the Kilmat 80mm is not as popular as Noico's, it's definitely a great product, and since you will be getting all of the benefits of Noico product at a lesser price and minus the odor, the Kilmat Sound Deadener makes for a better alternative. Next one is Dynamat. Dynamat is possibly the most popular brand of sound deadener on this list. Custom builders have been using this product for years and have been recommending it to their clients for a quieter and more comfortable ride. But is it all talk from a big brand, or has Dynamat actually earned its status? Dynamat's products are the go-to solutions for many vehicle owners looking to keep noise and vibration in their vehicle to the barest minimum. The product comes highly recommended for its sound insulation efficiency, which exceeds that of most other products on the market. Dynamat sound deadener are highly versatile and are suitable for installation both within and outside a vehicle. In fact, they can even be installed in homes and offices to enhance sound insulation. When installed in the interior of a vehicle, this 50mm thick material will significantly cut down vibration and road noise. It is available in made-to-measure packs, which means installation can be easily accomplished anywhere and on any surface with ease. But installing the Dynamat does require a bit of patience and expertise. That said, if properly installed, you can look forward to long-lasting and top-quality sound insulation. Most of the complications during installations come with the material being quite dense, which makes it difficult to fold into certain spaces. As earlier stated, while Dynamat is great for reducing noise and vibration in vehicles, it is also suitable for installation in other places where you'd like to minimize noise. So how much exactly does Dynamat cost, and is it worth it? This is a very good question, especially if you are considering Dynamat as an alternative to the less pricey options of Noico and Kilmat. Before we talk about the actual price of Dynamat, it's important to note that the top quality usually costs top dollars. By that reasoning, Dynamat offers a great quality product at a good value. Where Kilmat will cost you about $1.65 per square foot, Dynamat will cost you about $5 per square foot. That's a big price difference that comes along with a promise of guaranteed performance. To determine if Dynamat truly delivers good value for cash, let's take a look at some of the biggest pros and cons. Some pros are odorless soundproofing material. Unlike asphalt-based product, Dynamat is heat resistant. It can also serve as an effective heat insulator. The product's aluminum coating ensures quality performance and durability. It's not limited to one size, as you can order for custom packs of sizes that best fit the specific areas you'd like to soundproof. You can get a sample to test its effectiveness before buying a package. The material is flexible and stretchy and will not tear easily after being installed. Some of the cons is that it's more expensive than other alternatives that are just as effective. A separate roller has to be purchased for installation. If you intend to soundproof a large vehicle or room with Dynamat, it's going to cost you far more than using Noico or Kilmat. Dynamat's popularity is earned from its status as a top quality product that delivers impressive results. The price is high, but the amount of effort it takes to install this product may be considered by some to be a turnoff. Either way, Dynamat delivers reliable soundproofing, which is what is most important. Just be prepared to pay extra for its brand name and market-proving quality. And finally, Fatmat. The most important thing you need to know about Fatmat sound deadener upfront is that it's thicker than Dynamat but less expensive, and as thick as Kilmat but more costly, although it is cheaper than Noico. With its 80mm thickness and lower price, Fatmat makes for a worthy alternative to Dynamat. It's also versatile enough to handle a variety of demanding jobs. What truly differentiates Fatmat from Noico, Kilmat, and Dynamat are what it's made of. Unlike the other three, Fatmat uses an asphalt-based material to block out annoying and irritating sounds. This isn't necessarily a good thing since asphalt has features that makes it less effective than butyl-based sound deadeners. Nonetheless, Fatmat makes for a fairly priced soundproofing alternative, and its 80mm thick material comes in 18-inch wide rolls. The material can be easily cut into suitable size to fit your specific installation needs. It can be installed in trunks, door panels, floors, and any other area of a vehicle where you'd like to minimize noise. Regarding effectiveness, Fatmat works well for sound isolation and boosting sound quality within the room it is installed, but the fact that the material is asphalt-based comes with some downsides. One is that asphalt doesn't do well in high temperatures. Unlike Dynamat, which is heat resistant, Fatmat's asphalt-based material conducts heat and can turn the interior of a vehicle blistering during hot weather. This makes Fatmat more suitable for people who live in colder regions. Also, even though it's thicker than Dynamat, its noise-canceling capabilities are not as impressive. On the upside, the product is easier to install when compared to Dynamat. Unlike Dynamat, Fatmat is self-adhesive, which makes applying and installing it more straightforward. But because it's asphalt-based, the mat can be hard to install unless the heating temperature is just right. Some of the pros of Fatmat is the material can be ordered to specification. This way you don't have to order for more than you need. Cutting it is easy. It comes with an impressive money-back guarantee, it has a more powerful adhesive, and it has an affordable price that is far cheaper than Dynamat. Some of the cons is that it has a strong odor that can linger for some times after installation. Because it's asphalt-based, it can lead to a significant rise of temperature in the vehicle. Fatmat is pretty much the middle child among all the other sound deadeners I've just mentioned. It's not the cheapest nor the most expensive, it's not the best regarding to overall quality, but it still gets the job done. So which one is better between Fatmat, Noico, Dynamat, and Kilmat? The best way to decide if a product is right for you is to try it for yourself. But to help you bypass the cost of trial and error, we've tried the Fatmat, Noico, Dynamat, and Kilmat sound deadening mats for you, and here's what we think about which is better. Regarding the price, well, price-wise, Dynamat is the most expensive, costing as much as $150 a pack. Noico and Kilmat are the least expensive, costing about $66 and $56 respectively. This makes Kilmat the most affordable among the four options. This doesn't mean that Dynamat is a bad option simply because it's the most expensive. After all, it is touted as one of the best sound deadeners on the market, and if you can afford it, you can buy it. But Kilmat and Noico, due to their cost effectiveness and individual quality, can both serve as less expensive alternatives that can still get the job done effectively. The cost effectiveness of Kilmat and Noico also make them especially good option if you have a large soundproofing project in mind. But if you want the absolute cheapest option that still delivers great value, Kilmat is the way to go. So basically, if you're trying to soundproof a very small car, maybe choose Dynamat, but if you're trying to soundproof a large truck, Kilmat should be the way to go. And now let's talk about thickness. Noico, Fatmat, and Kilmat are all 80mm thick, unlike Dynamat, which is only 50 to 60mm thick. As you already know, when it comes to soundproofing, the thicker the better in most cases. Dynamat's 50mm thick is above average when you look at other products in the market, but this doesn't really give it the upper hand in this particular contest. This makes Dynamat the loser in terms of thickness and Noico, Fatmat, and Kilmat equal. Because of the higher 80mm thickness of Noico, Fatmat, and Kilmat, all three can be expected to perform anywhere between 20 to 50% better as sound deadeners. Effectiveness and reliability. Regardless of how much money you spend on sound deadening material, you want it to be something that actually works and that you can rely on for a long time to come without complications. In terms of effectiveness and reliability, Fatmat is probably the least reliable. While it has strong adhesive that ensures a sound deadening mat will be stuck to whatever surface you attach it for a very long time, the product's asphalt-based material is its downfall. Asphalt-based material just aren't as effective as butyl-based materials. Also, Fatmat's material tend to leave an odor and isn't heat resistant, which can make it problematic during the hot seasons. This brings us to the other three, which are all butyl-based products, but it seems that Kilmat takes the upper hand because Noico has an asphalt underlay. This leads to certain issues such as Noico's odor and reduced heat resistance. Dynamat, on the other hand, is already regarded by the market to be fully reliable and effective at sound deadening. The product is very popular and has millions of users that attest to the quality and reliability. It is also butyl-based. So while Kilmat is great in its own right, Dynamat wins the effectiveness and reliability round due to mostly its long-lasting and well-earned reputation as a top-quality sound deadening material. That said, Kilmat and Noico are both great at their job and will definitely make a cheaper and just as effective alternative for Dynamat, especially Kilmat because it's odorless and doesn't have an undercoating of asphalt like Noico. Ease of use and installation. While price and effectiveness are definitely important, how easy the product is to install is also very important. After all, a difficult to install product will cost you more in time and might even need an expert to get the job done right. Dynamat might be a more established brand that's considered highly effective by many, but that doesn't change the fact that the product can be quite tricky to install. Installation difficulty is especially high if installing Dynamat for the first time with no prior experience installing soundproofing. This leads to many customers incurring the extra cost of having a professional install it on their behalf. That said, if you watch a tutorial video or two on YouTube before you get started, you'll find the installation process easier as you progress with the process. As for Fatmat, installation can also be tricky due to its extremely strong adhesive that is unforgiving of mistakes. Once the adhesives stick to a surface, removing the material becomes almost impossible and can complicate installation. Noico and Kilmat, on the other hand, are easier to install than the other two because they are lightweight and very flexible, especially Kilmat because of its smaller sheets, which makes it easier for handling. Even beginners with no experience can have an easy time installing either one of these two. They also require no additional kits to complete the installation, making Noico and Kilmat both winners for ease of installation of use. So who is the overall winner? To select a winner, it is important to avoid going for a product simply because it is the cheapest available option. Going for the most expensive with the mindset that it is the best is also not your best move. Because each product comes with its own list of unique shortcomings and features, opt for the option that offers most of the features you need and shortcomings that you are willing to live with. That said, all the products discussed in this video will all serve well as quality sound deadeners that will minimize noise and vibration. But if you're looking for a quality product and want to save money, then Kilmat makes for a great choice that offers the right balance of features. But if what you want is a product that is more publicly recognized and has more satisfied customer reviews and are willing to pay the extra price, then Dynamat might be just what you are looking for. Thank you very much for watching, and like I said before, consider subscribing to our channel if you like this type of content. And also, don't forget to visit our website at soundproofguide.com. Thank you.